So my friend at work, he's new to investing. Let's say he downloaded the Robinhood app after the whole GameStop fiasco. So he immediately bought Dogecoin because he was listening to Snoop Dogg talk about it, and uh, and he knows who Elon Musk is, and that's cool. So um, basically, there was a Bitcoin crash yesterday, and Bitcoin fluctuates. It just does. 20% correction's not a big deal in that space, and 30% is kind of quite common. But the other crypto is also corrected. So he was saying to me, he texted me, he said, "Hey, you know what? I'm down like 200 on Doge. When it gets back up, I'm gonna sell it, and then I'm gonna split my investments between Doge and Bitcoin because he's been hearing a lot about Bitcoin. So, you can do whatever you want. And as an early investor, and I still do, man, make a lot of mistakes. So, but he was asking me, I texted him back and I said, well, looks like it's a good time to buy today. And he's like, what do you mean? And so, so basically, if you're new to investing, when your when your investment drops below where you originally purchased it, deploy some capital. If you still believe in that, all right. I shouldn't be giving advice, but the classic strategy is that if you really like that investment at say 48 and it drops to 46, well, it's on sale now, so you can pick up more, everything being equal, okay? And of course, with the caveat of, this is, especially with Bitcoin and Doge, this is gambling. This isn't really investing. So, be all of these funds should be funds that, like you're playing fantasy football, like you're at the casino, you can afford to lose. So, a couple things here. One, and these are, I'm putting this down so I can remind myself. But whenever I enter into a position, meaning whenever I buy something, don't deploy all the capital at once. You know, save something, because invariably, if I buy something, it goes down immediately. So, you know, then I can deploy the rest of the capital, or some more of the capital, to get it at an even more discounted price than what I originally bought it at. So, there's a lot of people talking about a crash coming. And if that happens, it's important to have some capital on the sideline now so that when that happens, one can take advantage of it. So these are basic. I'm just basically saying this to help me and help my friend and kind of go over it. But like I said, I wish I had kept this journal a long time ago, because I'd love to know what I was thinking about 10 years ago when I was getting into this. So it'd be really interesting to see what my insights were, or lack thereof. And I'm sure when I look back on this, I'll find out where my lack of knowledge had failed me in the past. So take all this with a grain of salt. Anybody that's listening to it, I hope it helps somebody out there. Have a great day.